Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. I hope all of you are doing well, and I know that I am, especially because I have this great new Bitcoin making website to show you guys. And as you can see on my screen right now, it is called Lolli, and they're also generously sponsoring today's video. So Lolli is a free browser plugin and mobile application, at least for iPhone, that gives you free Bitcoin whenever you shop online. So it's pretty similar to other websites and applications that give you money for shopping online, but the difference is you actually get paid in Bitcoin as well as dollars if that's what you prefer. And another good thing about this website is that they also work with over 1,000 stores, and that includes Best Buy, Lululemon, Nike, Postmates, and a lot more. Now, the way to get started to using this website is to go to their homepage, which I'll also be linking in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And once you do get to this page, then all you have to do is click on one of these links right here where it says Add to Chrome, and as you can see, it's also free, so there's no cost to you to do that. And once you do click on that button, you'll be brought over to the Chrome Web Store or Firefox if you're using that browser instead. And once you're here, all you have to do is just click on the install button, which will be shown right here where it says remove from Chrome for me right now because I already installed it. So just click that button and soon enough you'll have the plugin, which is going to be shown in your extensions bar on Chrome or on Firefox if that's the case. And it's going to look like this purple circle. If you click on it, you can just verify that you do have it installed. And you can see right here, you can see my wallet of how much I've earned in Bitcoin since I've started using this website. And as you can see, I do have quite a bit that I've earned from Lolli. And I have currently 0.015 Bitcoin, which is also the equivalent of $593 if you convert it using the current conversion rates. And you might be wondering, how did I actually get all of this Bitcoin through Lolli? And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just go to one of the stores that is affiliated with Lolli. And the way to find that is just to go on the plugin and click on this bottom middle button right here. It looks like a little bag. And you can see that they're going to be the featured stores that will give you Bitcoins back if you shop through Lolli. Now you can see there are some very popular websites here, including Gap, Priceline, Everlane, Old Navy, and a lot more. And actually, this also isn't all the stores that they have. If you want to see every store available, you click on this button right here where it says all stores. So let's just click on that and see where it takes us. And now you can see right here, we do have the list of every store that they have. And now if you actually just keep on scrolling down, you can see that there are a lot of stores. So chances are, if you've been shopping a lot online, which I know many of us have been doing during the pandemic especially, then it's very likely that one of your favorite stores is actually going to be associated with Lolli as well. So now once you do find a store that you want to shop at, for example, let's say I want to shop at this website, Sonos, and you can see right here it says that there is up to 6.5% Bitcoin back. So now all we have to do to activate this Bitcoin back is to just click on the shop button right here. And it's going to start loading in the background whatever it needs to do to give you your Bitcoins back. And eventually it's going to load the website that you wanted to access. So in this case, it's Sonos. And now to verify, you can both see in this top right corner, there's going to be a notification that says up to 6.5% Bitcoin back activated. And also, if you look at the plugin, it has now turned green instead of purple. So if you also click on it, you can see when it loads, it'll show you that it says Sonos, and again, it has the Bitcoin back percentage shown. And also it says activated. So now you know that Lolli is working on this website. Now, as I said, it's very simple and smooth sailing from here. All you have to do is just buy whatever product you wanted to buy initially, and Lolli will do all the work in the background to eventually pay you back. Now, once you do get your Bitcoins on Lolli, you may be wondering how to cash out. Now, that's also another very simple process. All you have to do is just go back to the extension and then click on it and just go to your profile, which is going to be this little silhouette of a person in the bottom right corner. It's going to bring you to your wallet. Now, from your wallet, all you have to do is just click on your profile. And then you can see in your profile, it has your name, email, and also this thing called your Sats tag, which is something that you can share online with other people. It's sort of like a social media handle that is associated with your account. So now once you're on this page, just go down and click on account. And when you click on this, it's going to open up a new web page. And from here, you can see again, your profile information in the left corner. And on the right side, you can see, again, how many Bitcoins you have, and also what the market value is in dollars for those Bitcoins. And now if you scroll down a bit, you can see that there are two options for you to withdraw your funds. First, you can either transfer to your Bitcoin address, and that's going to use whatever Bitcoin wallet you have. For me, it's Coinbase. For you, it might be something else. I know there's a lot of options out there, so just do whatever works best for you. Or you can also just cash out directly to your bank account in dollars. So if you want Bitcoins, you can do this option on top, or if you prefer just to have cash on hand, you can just send that directly to your bank account. And now just some more information up here about cashing out. It says that your rewards will become available after they have been confirmed, and this confirmation period occurs once the locking period is passed. So this is usually 90 days, which is the typical return period length for many stores. So just make sure you keep that in mind, that you're not going to get your Bitcoin instantaneously. It's going to take a little bit of time for everything to be processed before Lolli will pay you your Bitcoin. But once you do get paid, it's very easy to withdraw, and you can be sure that they're going to cash out and give you your money. So yeah guys, as you can see, Lolli is very easy to use, and in reality, you can get set up in just 2 clicks and less than 30 seconds. So that's all I have to show you guys today, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.